Today we are going to be working the verb عاد, come back. Let's start off with 4 examples in the present tense. يعود إلى عادته القديمة. He comes back to his old habit. الألم يعود كل ليلة. The pain comes back every night. كل يوم يعود من العمل متعبا. Every day he comes back tired from work. يعود للدراسة في الجامعة. He comes back to study at the university. As you notice, the verb عاد loses its alif. The alif was replaced by waw in the present tense. يعود عاد يعود يعود. Now we are going to conjugate the verb عاد. We will begin with the first person, meaning when you are talking about yourself. أنا أعود. I come back. نحن نعود. We come back. The present tense carries a prefix all the time at its beginning. In أنا أعود, I come back, the a is the prefix. In we come back, نحن نعود, the prefix is na. أنا أعود. نحن نعود. As you notice, the prefix of the verb and the pronoun share the same first letter. أنا أعود. نحن نعود. أنت تعود. You come back. Masculine singular. أنت تعودين. You come back. Feminine singular. أنتما تعودان. You come back. Masculine dual. أنتما تعودان. You come back. Feminine dual. أنتم تعودون. You come back. Masculine plural. أنتن تعدن. You come back. Feminine plural. The letter ta at the beginning of the verb is a prefix that indicates that the verb is in the second person. It means you are talking to someone. تعود. You come back. أنت تعود. You come back. As you notice, the prefix of the verb and the pronouns share the letter ta. هو يعود. He comes back. Masculine singular. هي تعود. She comes back. Feminine singular. هما يعودان. They both come back. Masculine dual. هما تعودان. They both come back. Feminine dual. هم يعودون. They come back. Masculine plural. هن يعدن. They come back. Feminine plural. In general, the letter ya at the beginning of the verb is a prefix that indicates and means you are talking about someone. هو يعود. He comes back.